Okay, Unit 2, Lesson 3, Heat Energy. Activity, movement of particle and temperature. Step number 1, put some similar metallic balls in a plastic cup and find their temperature. Put another cup on the first one tightly as shown in the figure. Number 3, invert upside down from 20 to 30 times and find the temperature again. We can observe that the ball movement and friction with each other causes rise in temperature. Okay, we can conclude that temperature increase as speed or kinetic energy of particles increase. So temperature is directly proportional to kinetic energy. By increasing kinetic energy, the temperature increases. Okay, invert your bicycle upside down, turn the pedal of your bicycle fast, then press the brakes strongly. When rotation stops, touch the frame of the wheel. The frame of the wheel becomes hot due to friction. Okay, so friction turns mechanical energy into heat energy. Okay, again, friction turns mechanical energy into heat energy. Okay, what's mean by heat energy? Again, it's a form of energy that transfers from a higher temperature object to a lower one. And what's mean by temperature? It's a condition which states the direction of heat energy, if it is to or from the object, when it touch another object. So we have two definitions, heat energy and temperature. Okay, heat energy is a form of energy. Temperature, it's a condition which states the direction of heat energy from or to the object when it touches another object. Heat transferring. We have three methods for heat transferring. Number one, heat conduction, or number one, conduction. Number two, convection. Number three, radiation. Conduction, it's a heat transfer through solids from one end to another. Example, when you touch the end of a metal spoon put in a cup of hot water, you will find it hot. You will find it hot. Convection, it's a heat transfer through liquid and gases, where hot molecule with less density rise up, while cold molecule have more density fall down. So heat conduction through solid, convection through liquid and gases. Radiation, if the heat transfer from hot to another object without needing a material medium like gas or space. So we have three methods: conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction through solid, convection through liquid and gases. Radiation, we don't need a medium, and it transfer also through gases. Okay, we have devices like electric heater and electric stove. The source of energy is electricity, and this is renewable resource and not pollute the environment. Solar heater, source of energy is sun, and this energy is permanent and it not pollute the environment. Gas stove and gas oven, the source of energy is natural gas and it is non-renewable, and also it pollute the environment. Give reason. The air conditioner is fixed near to the ceiling, or the freezer or the fridge is found at its top, because when air is cooled, its density increases, so it falls down to cool the room, while hot air with lower density rises up to be cooled again, and so on. The electric heater is placed on the floor of the room, the opposite of the question number one. Okay, يبقى the air conditioner is fixed near to the ceiling or the freezer at the top of the fridge, but the electric heater is placed on the floor of the room, because when air is heated, its density decreases, so it rises up to warm the room, while cold air of higher density fall down to be heated, and so on. Give reason. The heat of the sun is not transferred by conduction or by convection, but by radiation. The answer will be not by conduction, because air is a bad conductor of heat, and not by convection because hot air rises up and doesn't fall down. By radiation because heat transfers through space by radiation. The production of electricity from solar energy is preferred to that from burning fuel. Why the production of electricity from solar energy preferred to that from burning fuel? Because solar energy is clean, produced from permanent source of energy. Because solar energy is clean, produced from permanent source